Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Estate of Blue of the South Homestead channel. We are going to save your over 40 back by planting sweet potatoes in boxes. So easy. You don't have to dig through the dirt and bend and moan and groan. I grow my sweet potato roots in a 32-ounce jar under the grow light so that I can see the root growth. It's easier for me and I'll know when to take them out and plant them. Usually I'll see growth over a period of 3 to 4 weeks. You can see on the picture, if you look closely, you can see the fine little white roots coming out. As the roots grow, I change the water probably about 3 times a week. Next, I prep my boxes with peat moss and soil. I water the soil thoroughly to give the sweet potato slips a great start in their growth. The next step is to plant the sweet potato slips in the boxes. I normally plant 2 to 3 per box. I use my old Chewy boxes after taking off the tape. Once they're in, I water them more. They like a lot of water. Sweet potatoes are a heat-loving crop. I water them regularly. I don't give them a lot of fertilizer because they do pretty well on their own. I'll do another short video on the progress of the sweet potatoes, particularly the harvest, and show you how you'll save your over 40 back without digging in the dirt. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned something. Thank you so much and have a wonderfully blessed day.